Conspiracies.
Seagulls. Like nudist speeches, every coast has them. Once seen as a harmless seaside pest, in recent years, the seagull has grown in both size and attitude. Once the size of a shoebox or a loaf of bread, the average UK seagull is now the size of a small dog, with reports in Cornwall of Labrador-sized seagulls. But how did we get here? But how did we get here? But how did we get here? A study performed by the Seagull Measuring Society shows that seagulls have grown a staggering 2 inches per year since the year 2000. Experts predict that by the year 2040, the average UK seagull may be the size of a pterodactyl. Is this the natural process of evolution, or something more sinister? To keep safe from the threat of growing seagulls, follow these 3 safety precautions. 1. Only eat chips indoors. Chips are like crack to seagulls. They will not hesitate to mug you off at any time. 2. If you hear the sound of a seagull screeching, take cover. 3. Recite some poetry or sing them a song. It might just save your life. So there we have it. How to keep the ever-growing seagulls at bay. Do your duty and help us stop the seagulls.